Now I am making another uthapam. It's 1 second. So it is actually not a big one. It's in our side we call it as chitto because it's yeah, this is called a chitto. Here they make it like a set dosa. Yeah, this can be called as set dosa. So here it's actually a thick one. You can see from the side. Yeah, this is a thick one, and after the bubbles and all will come now, and now I will put my peanut, garlic, co- coconut, and yeah, chilies chutney into this on top of it. I'll make the heat medium, not too hot but medium, because it's very thick. It needs little time to cook. Okay, and yeah, on top I will add this little bit of vegetables that I had, which is nothing but just cabbage, some coriander leaves, and little bit of onion. So that is what I had, so I will add on top. If you want, you can add some kajus also, so I will also add some kaju on the side. I took a kaju. I took actually 7 to 8 kajus, made them half, and added them. Made them half and added them in all the sides, and then I cover it. So after some 1 minute of covering, you can see that it's a thick, very thick. From side you can see the thickness, and it's cooked also. You can see the bubbles and the color has changed, and it's looking good. I will push this thing into it and see if it is actually cooked or not. Yeah, it seems like it is cooked. I do not see anything sticking to it. Okay, but I'll still do a little turning. Yeah, this is a good step. If I would have kept it for more longer, this would have burnt it. So you can see how thick this one is. So in a slow temperature, let it cook it for some time. So I will turn it. See, the take care of this coconut and all, because they will get burnt very fast. So maybe 30 seconds I am going to turn it and keep it turned. So now it is swollen, so you need not to heat or anything. It won't squeeze anymore. It will stay this thick only. It looks good to me to read, but still I'll check again if there is any rawness in the center of the one, because it is quite thick. It doesn't look like, so I can take it to my plate. So there you go. I had a big uthapam and I have a small uthapam. So you can see the size different and the thickness. This is super thick, and this is still thick. That's a uthapam, so that is also thick only. As you can see, they look super yummy. So this is going to be my dinner now. Hi friends, thank you for watching my channel. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and give your viewpoint in your comment section, and do share with your friends, and above all subscribe to my channel. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.